안녕 여러분. 저희 요즘 너무 더워가지고 잠을 진짜 제대로 못 자는 것 같아요. 여기 이탈리아 남부가 이렇게 더울 줄은 몰랐습니다. 최근에 그래서 선풍기도 사고 했는데 진짜 너무 더워요.
We just bought this fan at an Italian electronics store called Troni, or as they say in Italy, Troni. And it was 16 euros.
지금 33도라고 나와 있는데 보통 35도 정도 됩니다. Are you okay?
That was the worst night yet.
Yep. Because of fan? I think I have a headache.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Because of the fan?
Yeah. You don't understand, but my mom will understand if she watched this video. Let's make a ciabatta sandwich and go to bed. 차는 이곳에 주차를 해두고 저희 아침부터 대판 싸워가지고 지금 거리두기 하고 있는 중입니다. 이쪽으로 이렇게 올라가서 트로페아 올드타운으로 갈 예정입니다. 여기 이렇게 계단을 올라가면 트로페아 타운이 나옵니다. 해변은 저쪽 편에 있고요. 피자리아나 이런 건 여기 타운에 있습니다. 이만큼 올라가야 돼요. 아이스크림도 먹고 여기 트로페아의 특산품인 양파도 사려고 합니다.
안녕 여러분. We're in Tropea. We're gonna go check out the main view of the beach from above, which is pretty cool. So.
Yeah, that's our favorite spot.
Yeah.
To look down. Beach.
Hopefully the wind is blowing up there.
네.
Sorry. It's so hot. I can't really.
Yeah. We checked our car and there was a 42 degrees inside of them. 가자.
Yeah, nothing's like a movie with a paint on a picture you made as a child. You can't understand the moments in all the pictures. I will see you I'm under your skin, lying deep down. I'm breathing you in like you're
비니 어때? 좋아? 야, 대답 좀 해줄래? How's it?
How's what?
귀엽네. 귀엽네, 모자. 어휴. 비니 gets sweating. 더워? 더워? 덥냐고. Is it hot? 저희는 타르투포를 먹으려고 했는데 아이스크림을 먹기로 결정했습니다. What do you want?
Is it okay if I order?
Yeah, sure.
Cono, cialda, chocolate.
Actually, I'll get the nocciola. Yeah, instead, yeah.
Whoa. I'm gonna get this and
Wow. Grazie. Wow. Grazie. I have to pay with my phone.
맛있겠다. 타르투포 맛이랑 초콜릿 맛이었는데 사실 저희 여기 세 번째 왔거든요. 초콜릿 맛은 진짜 딱 제가 좋아하는 맛이고 타르투포는 헤이즐넛에 초콜릿이 감게 그런 맛이에요. 저희가 그거는 피쪼에서 먹은 거 같이 사진을 보여드리도록 하겠습니다.
Good.
A little space.
Attenzione dietro.
Dietro. The eyes. It's good.
Ok, perfetto. Ci siamo.
우리 아이스크림 맨날 먹는 것 같아.
It's really good.
Yeah, we've been eating a lot of gelato.
The bird just crapped on my foot. I wish that was gelato, but
We walk bound while the whole world was sleeping. We sat both with the heart waves were reaching, and all the lights dancing on your skin. And all I've done to hold you here again, I'll do it again. Standing out on glacier lakes. Oh, you knocked me out for days and days. At pointed lands, you turn your face. We could never feel comfortable in this way. When I was everything that you.
Oh, 잠깐만요. 잠깐만. We have to talk about Tropea. We didn't really do like a summary video or of things we like, so this is that. So we're going to talk about our tips for visiting Tropea in a van life.
Okay, so we're gonna talk about campsite and parking and shower. But first of all, campsite. It's pretty old. You have to park and then little bit of the peach. What is it?
Beach?
No.
Peach?
You can-
Oh, the parking space. We went to a campsite that was, I don't know, maybe there were like 60 or 70 pitches. The place was packed. And they're small. You just kind of, there's room for your van, you park to the side, and then there's room for your chairs. Previously, we'd stayed at a bunch of campsites throughout Spain and Italy and elsewhere. And there was so much space and there weren't many people. But now in Italy, there's a lot of travelers. We paid 20 euros. That was the out of season price. The campsite was nice. I mean, the shower was weird. They only allowed showering, hot showers between like 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. and then 4
p.m.
4
to
p.m.
10
to 10
p.m.
p.m. Otherwise, it was cold showers. The good thing about the campsite, the sort of the best thing, is that literally it's a 2-minute walk to the postcard beach. Otherwise, parking is not good there. It's pretty much paid, or in the white lines, you can, if you can get a spot, then it's free. But park for night in Tropea, we tried one spot at the beach bar, and the owner ended up being sort of a drunk, angry old man, and he like chased us off at 6 p.m. And so we didn't stay there. But I think there's maybe 1 or 2 okay spots in Tropea to park, not close to the beach. It's not really a great park for night area. We just ended up getting a parking spot in the white lines right next to the campsites, really close to the beach. It was a good spot for location, but it was really hot. Traffic, obviously, right on the street. It was one night.
And our campsite was okay, but sometimes you have to pay for shower, you know, €1 coin, or you have to pay for electric, you know, that's additional service.
A lot of Italian campsites charge €1 for a shower.
Yeah, but there's time limits.
Yeah.
I just recommend to sleep in campsite. That's because there is no beach shower. So if you don't want to stay in campsite, and you have to figure out the shower. So you can go to bar, or there is a one parking lot, €2 hot shower and stuff like, they provide a individual service, so you can visit there.
Yeah, I mean, in Italy, you basically are sort of like going to beach bars and buying a beer and then checking to make sure you can shower. That's kind of it. There's not, I mean, you can shower at your van too.
We only find two places there is a public shower. One is the Pizzo and one is Roca Imperia. All right.
That was everything about showering and campsites in Tropea.
And the fuel gas is not really cheap, so you have to put the full gas from the little north side.
Just go there for the beach, enjoy it for a day or two.
Yes, water is so clear and beautiful.
She 진짜 recommends. She 진짜 recommends going to Tropea if you like to be in the ocean, and it's a dream come true.
Okay, bye.
안녕, ciao.
저희는 저기 적양파를 사서 이제 이 동네를 떠나려고 합니다. 아, 시원해. 패키지가 진짜 보자. 여기 샵이 엄청 멋있죠. 와. 그만 구경하고 사서 가도록 합시다. Decoration? I don't know.
Can we buy it? Sí. Okay.
Ciao, grazie. 가자. 더워 죽겠네. 저기 안에는 에어컨이 있어가지고 좀 시원했는데 나오니까 지금 눈도 못 뜨게 막 해가. 빨리 우리 도망가자. 산으로 도망가자.
Standing out on glacier lakes. Oh, you knocked me out for days and days. At pointed lens, you turn your face. We could never feel comfortable.